Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 3, Lesson 18. We met prepositions in Chapter 1. Now we study the phrases they build and the two jobs those phrases can do. We met prepositions back in Chapter 1. Now let's look at the phrases they build. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun, the object of the preposition, and it may include modifiers of that object. The lantern on the porch flickered. On is the preposition, porch is the object, and on the porch is the whole prepositional phrase. Everyone works the same way. It begins with a preposition and ends with its object. Here's the interesting part. A prepositional phrase can do the job of an adjective or of an adverb. First, the adjective phrase. It modifies a noun or a pronoun, telling which one or what kind. Did you see the hawk over the valley? The phrase over the valley modifies the noun hawk. It tells us which hawk, the one over the valley. So when a prepositional phrase describes a noun or pronoun, it's working as an adjective phrase. Now the adverb phrase. It modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, telling how, when, where, or to what extent. Carry these tools to the shed. The phrase to the shed modifies the verb carry. It tells us where to carry them. So when a prepositional phrase describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, it's working as an adverb phrase. The same kind of phrase, just doing a different job. So how do you tell which job a phrase is doing? Find the word it modifies. If the phrase describes a noun or pronoun, it's an adjective phrase. If it describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, it's an adverb phrase. Watch a sentence with both. Some of the rain soaks into the ground. Of the rain modifies the pronoun some, telling which ones. So that's an adjective phrase. Into the ground modifies the verb soaks, telling where. So that's an adverb phrase. Two phrases, two different jobs in one sentence. Two more helpful clues. First, an adjective phrase almost always sits right after the noun it modifies. The book on the shelf. On the shelf comes right after book, the noun it describes. Second, an adverb phrase is movable, just like adverbs themselves. In the morning, we walked, or we walked in the morning. Both work fine. So position is a clue. A phrase glued right after a noun is usually an adjective phrase, while one that can slide around the sentence is usually an adverb phrase. Let's put it together. The lighthouse on the cliff shone through the fog. Two prepositional phrases here. On the cliff modifies the noun lighthouse, telling which lighthouse, so it's an adjective phrase. Through the fog modifies the verb shone, telling where it shone, so it's an adverb phrase. Find the word each phrase modifies, and the job becomes clear. Let's practice. In each sentence, pick the preposition that begins the prepositional phrase. Pause and try before I answer. The lighthouse stood on a rocky cliff. The phrase is on a rocky cliff, beginning with the preposition on, so the answer is on. Scientists divide the wilderness into separate ecosystems. The phrase is into separate ecosystems, beginning with into, so the answer is into. Large lakes moderate the temperatures along their shores. The phrase is along their shores, beginning with along, so the answer is along. Now decide the job of the capitalized phrase. Is it an adjective phrase, modifying a noun or pronoun, or an adverb phrase, modifying a verb, adjective, or adverb? Pause and try each. Carbon and nitrogen cycle through the biosphere. Through the biosphere modifies the verb cycle, telling where, so it's an adverb phrase. Most of the rain flows into rivers. Of the rain modifies the pronoun most, telling which part, so it's an adjective phrase. Water is essential to the biosphere. To the biosphere modifies the adjective essential, telling to what extent. Since it modifies an adjective, it's an adverb phrase. Let's bring it together. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with its object. It can act as an adjective phrase, modifying a noun or pronoun, or as an adverb phrase, modifying a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. To tell which, find the word the phrase modifies and remember the position clue. An adjective phrase sits right after its noun, while an adverb phrase can move. Great work! In Lesson 19, we'll meet verb forms that act as adjectives, participles, and participial phrases.